Okay, so the reason I had to unlock it is because nobody wants to use their key and pry this thing off to unlock it when the battery's dead. So they prefer I just unlock it. So to jump start the vehicle, we just open up the driver's side door, and down in the kick panel area right here, just pull this little lever right here. That's gonna pop the hood, and then come around to the front and hook the jump box up to it. I'm gonna be using the NOCO GB 150 Boost Pro jump box, and we'll go ahead and hook that up here in just a second. There's a secondary latch right here under the hood that you got to press to get it to lift up, and then the battery I think is over here. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. Okay, so you got to undo these little plastic screws here. All of the other three came up, but this last one's kind of being a pain. Don't let them fly away and get lost. I need two hands for this one. All right, and you lift this little cover up, and here is your battery. You've got your positive connection in the front with the plus sign right there, and the negative in the back. So I'm gonna hook up your red cable first, and then your negative, making sure your box is off. You can jump it from another vehicle, you just got to make sure the other vehicle's off. And you can see this battery's totally dead. Let's turn the box on. It should give us a reading. Alright, that's how you jump start it. Another good feature of this box is it will test the alternator. So you should have 13.8 to 14 volts. This battery's dead just because the customer doesn't use it a lot. So even though that, there it goes. Now it's reading up in the 14 range. So good to go. Now if you're you wanting to buy one of these jump boxes for yourself, just buy the GB 40. It's only $100, and if you're not doing this for a living, you won't need this box. If you're doing this for a living, then you know, I suggest you buy this box, and then just put your cover back on and all your little doodads back in, and you're good to go.